Innovation. One word that best describes us. It's what we do. It's who we are. To begin with, let's go back 100 years. 1911, we began our journey as a bus service. It's said that people of Madurai set the time to the clockwork precision of our buses. 1960, we start auto component manufacturing. 1978, we get into two-wheeler manufacturing. Today, we are India's largest automobile components manufacturer and distributor. A $7 billion group with 48 companies across industries. We are obsessed with automobile innovation. You could say we are like the automobiles we make. Quite like automobiles need fuel, we are fueled by a passion for customers. Today, we have more than 24 million satisfied customers the world over. All meticulously designed to meet the highest quality standards. Together, they roll out more than 2 million bikes every year. Quite like an engine powers an automobile, we are powered by a workforce united by values. The philosophy of total employee involvement, TEI, ensures key processes such as Kaizen and recurrence prevention are inculcated in every individual. It goes beyond processes and empowers all our employees for innovation. Bearing testimony to this are our 600-plus global patents. Quite like suspensions adapt to different terrains, our robust network and distribution systems have earned the trust of diverse global markets. In over 60 countries, all equipped with innovative product displays, company-trained technicians, genuine part support, and friendly customer care. Quite like brakes ensure a rider's safety, our exactness in design and testing set the highest standards in quality and safety. Our indigenous R&D facility has over 600 engineers collaborating with the world's leading automotive institutions. A hub for innovation, it has the capacity to conceptualize, design, simulate, and test, all under one roof. We put our bikes through the worst, so you get the best. Finally, the bikes are put to the ultimate test on the racetrack because racing improves the breed. TVS Racing, India's only company-owned racing team, dominating the Indian racer circuit for 3 decades. And Quite like the chassis holds the bike together, all our actions are bound by trust, value, exactness, and passion for people. This journey of innovation has brought us far and brought with it many firsts. In 2002, we won the prestigious Deming Prize in Quality, making us the first and only two-wheeler manufacturer in the world to have achieved this feat. And the accolades keep pouring in. If there's one thing we've learned over 100 years of innovation, it is this: innovation only has a start button. Once it starts, it never stops. Innovation knows no finish line. It's always in motion.